Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Gardening is Life. Today we're going to make a short little video about my Japanese pear tree. Here's some pears I got off of it a second ago. There you go, that's how big it is, but it produces nice little fruit. Get on the ladder. Put those there. And then here's one more right here. Another big one. Another one. Here's a bad one. Most of these. This year, for some reason, there was a lot. So I just pluck them. Pluck them. And this one. They got these little pony stuff on them. Just pluck them and throw them. And then you leave all the good ones. Here's a good one. There's one over here, another one over here, and they're nice color. They're like a lightish orange almost. Yeah, here's another one, and another one. This tree, this is I think it's 2.5 years old, and pretty much it was producing first year. I did buy it at a year old, and as soon as I got it, early spring, I planted it, and that same year I had Japanese pears. Here they are. They kind of look like an orange almost, but they are kind of hard, but they are extremely sweet. It's a quick little video. If you have a pear tree, drop a comment below if you got any fruit this year, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'll be releasing a lot more videos of my other fruit trees, so stay tuned for that. Sorry, my neighbor's cutting his grass, but that's fine. Alright, see you in the next video.